Hello, I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll see how to share a bundle using URL. We have already seen how to share a bundle using account ID. In this video, we'll see it using URL. So, sharing the bundle using URL is another option that is available. A bundle owner can share a bundle URL with other users and using the copy bundle URL option in the bundle UI. So we have to keep few points in our mind here. So other platform users can use this copied URL to view or install a bundle only if the bundle visibility is public or if the bundle visibility is shared and it is shared explicitly with that user using the sharing tab in the bundle UI. So this is our bundle. So when you go to the sharing, so you should either set your visibility to shared or public in order to share this bundle. So let me set it to public for now. So, and if it is sent to a person who does not have access to that bundle, they will see the bundle does not exist page. So, first to copy a bundle URL and share it with other Boomi users on this particular bundles page under your bundle name. So, you where you are in the sharing tab. So, just you have to copy the URL from this bundle URL that you could see here. So, just copy this and you can once it is copied you can share it with the intended users. So if you are the bundle owner, you have the option to copy the sharing URL using the copy button icon in the header to share the public URL more easily. So when once you have copied this URL, just let me show how it works. So this URL will directly take you to the shared bundle page. So this is how you share your bundle using the URL. Thank you.